Hello and welcome to the third stay-at-home challenge. I'm super happy that you guys are enjoying them because I am enjoying them a lot, even though I'm not participating in them. I'm still enjoying and actually looking at all your submissions and stuff. It's been great. So based on some feedback from the second challenge video that I did, you guys seem to like the format that I did for the previous video, where I sort of scroll through your submissions on my phone. So that's what we're going to be doing again today. If you have more feedback, leave that in the comments. I tend to read most of the comments, if not all of them. Pretty sure I read all of them, so I see you. Anyway, let's talk about the challenge first, and then I'm gonna look through your submissions from the previous challenge. So if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Masha. I make videos on this channel about friendship bracelets, and this is a series of challenges that I'm running during the quarantine period to sort of keep you guys entertained and maybe help you find a new fun hobby, and also keep me entertained because I get to look at all of your fun submissions. I divide these challenges into 3 categories. There are beginners, intermediate, and advanced. Some of them I give 1 pattern, some of them I give 2. You can make 1, you can make both. Take a picture, submit it on Padlet, and then in the next video I'm going to be looking through your submissions for this challenge. Just like in this video, I'm going to be looking at the previous challenge submissions. Hopefully that made sense. I'm going to talk more about submissions and everything in just a second. Let's go over the challenges. So for my beginners, as I said previously, I'm sort of going from the first challenge and I'm giving you sort of harder and harder bracelets to complete. The first challenge was focused on getting you to learn the basic knots. The second challenge was getting you to use those basic knots a little bit more, and you guys have done that pretty well, as I will show in just a second. So I feel more confident in giving you guys something slightly more difficult this time. So for the second challenge, you guys did a chevron. For the third challenge, I want you to do a slight variation of the chevron, and that is the refracted chevron, which looks like this. As I said, this is a variation of the chevron. It is slightly more difficult to do, but it's still very beginner friendly, and I do have a tutorial on how to make that, which I will leave linked in the card and in the description for you guys to make. My intermediate friends, I have a normal pattern for you guys to make and an alpha pattern. I'm gonna wait to talk about the alpha until I go through my advanced, because the alpha pattern is the same for the intermediate and for the advanced this time. Since there's not really that much of a difference in terms of levels in alphas, I've sort of given you guys the same alpha. Anyway, for the normal pattern, as I said, it's not exactly normal. It is going to be the Starry Night bracelet, which might be a little bit more on the advanced side, but I'm pretty sure that you can handle it, hopefully. I do have a tutorial on this. As you can see, it's not exactly a normal bracelet. It is made as a normal bracelet. It's not an alpha, so I'm putting it in this category, but it has an obvious fun twist to it in that it has sort of a gap in the center. I like this bracelet a lot. I did 2 of these, 1 normal and 1 doubled, and I do have a tutorial on how to make this, which will also be linked in the card and in the description, so you guys can check that out. And for my advanced friends, I'm giving you the Starburst, which I love. As you might know, I am currently doing a collection of these. I have the red made and the blue made, currently making a purple, and the purple is the one that I used to make a tutorial for this bracelet as well. So if you prefer watching a tutorial and not actually reading the pattern, I have that available for you. I tried to make it as simple as I possibly could, so hopefully some of you guys will make this. As for the alpha, as I said, for the intermediate and for the advanced, the alpha is the exact same, because it is very difficult to sort of divide levels in alphas since they are pretty much all made in the same way. But this is the alpha that I want you guys to make. You don't have to make all 3 of the flowers. You don't have to make them in exactly these positions. You can make 1, you can make more than 1. You can rearrange them if you want. You can make the bracelet thinner if you want, or thicker if you want. But the flower shape is sort of what I want you guys to do, and I really wanted to do that. And basically I'm giving you guys bracelets from my to-do list. These are bracelets that I really want to do and want to get to, but I'm currently not able to because I don't have my strings with me. And I'm also writing my dissertation because that's due in a month, so I don't really have time to do that either. So I'm sort of living through you guys in these challenges. So hopefully some of you participate in this and make that. Anyway, again, as always, I have no idea when the deadline for this is going to be while I'm filming, so the deadline will be in the description of this video, so please check there, along with the link for the submission. Now, submissions are going to go, as always, through Padlet. You click the link in the description. You don't have to log in to create a submission, but if you do log in, I get to see your name. So if you want that to happen, you can do that. Once you make your submission, you have to wait for me to approve it. You might have to wait for a long time, and you might not get approved at all because the Padlet tends to get really laggy, and by the end, when I have a lot of submissions on it, I tend to stop approving new submissions because it just gets so laggy. But don't worry, even if I don't approve your submission, I still get to see it because I'm the one who's approving them. So I get to see all the submissions regardless of whether or not they were approved. But yeah, last time I gave the deadline of like 4 days away. You guys said that that was too short, so I extended it to about a week away. I'm gonna try and do the same thing now. Let me know if the submission is too far away, too close, whatever. Also, the sun is really going down. I should get my light out. I'm gonna do that. Give me a sec. Filming here is very difficult because I don't have my normal setup, so all the shadows are messed up. Alright, time to look at your guys' submissions for the second challenge. Once again, I downloaded the Padlet as a PDF on my phone, and this time there are 73 pages. So there are even more submissions this time than they were last time, so I'm definitely not going to go through all of them, and I'm definitely not going to go through all of them in detail, but I'm going to try to look through as many as I can and just kind of comment on them a little bit. So let's have a look. And straight away I see some amazing bracelets. You've got some circle bracelets, a rainbow alpha, a chevron. That chevron is really, really cute. And then going up, you've got this chevron that sort of alternates. I think it's got like a Chinese staircase in between the chevrons. That's a very cool alteration. Loving these rainbow alphas. Got some more chevrons on the left. We've got the first parrot alpha. I really like that pattern. I really wanted to make that. I love the background color that's used here as well. Very gentle, if that makes sense. That makes sense in Russian. I don't know if it makes sense in English. Sometimes my brain does that. Got a lot of circle bracelets. I love the one on the left here, sort of yellow and purple. I've never seen a sort of duochrome circle bracelet. Got a lot more chevrons here, which is amazing to see. I love chevrons. These guys look really beautiful. And we've also got a starburst here, which is kind of funny because that's what I gave this challenge. Oh, this chevron and also the circle bracelet on the right reminds me of Slytherin. Got some more here. Honestly, I really like all of these circle bracelets. I kind of want to make another one now. I haven't made one since I did that video. I did make some other shaped bracelets, but I haven't made specifically the circle bracelet. It's more like a diamond bracelet, to be honest, but whatever. And all these color combos are making me want to make one. Oh, look at this little cute alpha bracelet at the bottom. It's just a tiny little baby, but it's so cute. We've got some more circle bracelets with buttons. I really like the chevron. I really like the color combo of it. I don't know why, but it just gives me a very sort of calm vibe, and I like that a lot. And then going up, oh, we've got the alpha with a black background, which is kind of cool, very unique. Some more chevrons. Oh, we've got the first advanced pattern here. To be honest, I kind of forgot I gave that until I just saw it now. Oh, and then we've got some more on the top left. Yes, I really, really like this pattern. I haven't finished mine yet, but I like it a lot. The circle bracelet and alpha are really cool as well. Got some more black alphas and another advanced here. These look really cool as well. I love the color combos for these. Oh, that circle bracelet is so tiny. I like it. So cute. Some chevrons at the bottom, this alpha as well. It's also really interesting to me how different people arrange their gradients. We've got a circle bracelet on a flask. Very cute chevron on the bottom, and then here as well, more cute chevrons. What is that sheet music? My grandma would be so embarrassed. My grandma is an amazing musician and has taught me how to read sheet music many times throughout my life, but I still cannot. I can if I really, really try and know where all the notes go, but it's difficult. Got a little circle bracelet at the bottom. Oh, look at that really cute alpha. That is so sweet. I just really like that pattern. It's so cool. And the rainbow. Got some more patterns up here. Ooh, that circle bracelet is like in a rainbow. I like that. That looks really nice. I've never thought of making a circle bracelet in a rainbow. I should probably try that. And then at the bottom, we've got one that's the same in each, which is also really nice. I like the colors for that. And this advanced pattern and the rainbow alpha look really neat. They're very well made. We've got some more patterns at the top. Oh, I've only gone through 20. Oh no. I really should go much faster on these, but I just want to give all of these bracelets the attention that they deserve, you know? I should really speed up. These are really cool though. I love the color combos of these. And then look at that. I really like how you didn't cut the strings here. That's actually kind of cool. And that circle bracelet is very chill as well. Oh, there's a little keychain for the advanced bracelet. Some more chevrons. Some more advanced patterns and circles and alphas. That circle bracelet is something my grandma would like. My grandma likes sort of brown colors. She likes very chill colors. I feel like she would like that. Talked about my grandma twice in this video. I love her a lot. Probably watches my videos as well, so hi grandma. Anyway, we've got some really beautiful bracelets here. We've got a bracelet. I don't know if you did that on purpose, but the book that I really didn't like is in the background here. I did a video on why I didn't like that. If you want to check it out, it's on my second channel. I will leave that linked. I went in depth. I just find that funny. I don't know if that was on purpose, but it's there. Got some alphas here. And we've got that alpha pattern as well with the parrots. That's so cute. I really like the photography of the bottom left one. That's very unique. I've never seen anything like that. That's really cool. But all these bracelets look lovely. Again, I like how you didn't cut the strings for the rainbow alpha. That gives it sort of a unique look, and I like it as well. And on the top right, I love the color combo of the gold, blue, and red. That looks very royal. Oh, these are beautiful as well. Oh, that one has like an outline. Ah, I like it. I love them. Oh, these are really, really cute. Some more circle bracelets. Oh, that one's on a puppy. I love that. Got some circle bracelets, sort of monochrome looks, and that one's a rainbow. I really want to make a rainbow one now. Oh, I really like that. I worked on this non-stop for 2 days. I love it. It's super cool. And the one on the top right is sort of bright neon colors. I like that. And these ones are really cute. And these ones. And we've got these. Again, I'm really trying to go through these quickly. These are super lovely. These as well. I really like that cute little button on the bottom. This one is interesting, the one on the bottom left. Couldn't decide on a black or white background, so I did both. That gives it a very interesting look. And I definitely like it. I've never really seen anything like that, I don't think. Definitely very unique. And also looking at that cactus reminds me that I left my cacti at home completely alone, and I am terrified that when I come back to London they're gonna be dead. And that makes me really, really sad, and I'm trying not to think about that. But I couldn't leave them with anyone because we had to social distance. And I also left in a hurry. But I'm hoping the cacti don't die because I love them. And I use them in my pictures and they're my babies. And I'm gonna cry now. Not gonna cry, not gonna cry. Anyway, these are very, very lovely. I love how many of you guys did the circle bracelet. It seems like that is sort of dominating here. But all of these are absolutely gorgeous. Loving this. Oh, you've got like a little flat bookmark, I guess. You could use that as a bookmark. I like to make flat alphas as well, like that, without any sort of ties. Got some more chevrons and alphas. And these look gorgeous. I really love to see how different people choose their colours for their bracelets. I feel like it's a whole different way of expressing your creativity. And oh my god, there's a kitten. Got some more circle bracelets and advanced patterns here, some chevrons. Pink really does go so well with like orange and yellow. I love that. I've got some pink and purple on the left, and these look really beautiful. Oh, this one says that they made the little parrots. I thought they were parrots. They call them budgies. Is that the same thing? I'm not educated in this sphere, but they said that they made them in the colours of them and their boyfriend. That's really cute. I used to do that. When me and my husband were dating, I used to make us friendship bracelets in like our colours as well. That kind of threw me back a little bit. But these are very beautiful. I love the one on the bottom left as well. The colours of that sort of give me like sea vibes, like beach vibes. I don't know, I like it. And these are really beautiful. Here we've got some more as well. I'm gonna really quickly scroll up to the top because I've been filming for forever and I need to wrap it up, but I want to show as many bracelets as I can. And I want you guys to know that even if I didn't comment on your bracelet in this video, I definitely looked through all of the submissions and I have seen all of them. It's just that I can't fit all of them in one video, but I tried to fit most of them. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the second challenge and I hope you take part in the third challenge as well. Definitely leave me feedback on the deadlines, on the patterns, if there's anything that you like or dislike about this sort of challenge thing. Because like sort of with the bracelet helpline, this is a series that is interactive with you. I want to make sure that you guys are honestly enjoying yourselves. So let me know if there's something that I can improve. I do want to give a special shout out to my patrons and specifically my top supporters. I now have a supporter whose name I cannot pronounce. And you're gonna hear me say this in a different video because I am filming 2 videos in a row. But her name I think is Crystal or Christelle. Let me know if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But the rest of my top supporters I can pronounce hopefully. So a special thank you to Miller, Zoe, Hannah, Simon, Izzy M, Jocelyn, Izzy B, Misty, Sydney, Izzy D, Lara, Anna, Gretchen, Tia and Sam. Thank you guys very much for your support. It is with my Patreon support that I'm able to run this channel and focus my attention here. So thank you guys very much. And if you want to become a patron as well, there is a link in the description where you can sign up and get exclusive perks. I send packages to my top tier patrons. But also there is a competition running right now which is Patreon exclusive, in which you can win a bracelet of mine or some materials. It's sort of winner's choice. We are doing them in rounds. Round 1 is currently happening. There is a deadline of 2 weeks, so you can join round 1 if you want to, but there is going to be a round 2, and depending on how many people join, there might even be a round 3 or round 4. So definitely join in if you guys want to. But regardless, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!